How to change settings on Roblox on PS4 and PS5. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you guys on how to adjust settings on Roblox for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a simple process, so follow along carefully. Changing settings on Roblox for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is straightforward. Although I'm demonstrating this on my PC, the process remains same for the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. I'm using PC for my convenience. If you set the graphical quality to the lowest, it results in distant objects appearing blurry and over low quality visuals. To modify these graphic settings, simply open the menu by pressing the Options or Start button. Navigate to the Settings section in the menu. Under Settings, scroll down to find two important options, that is Graphics Mode and Graphics Quality. If graphics mode is set to automatic, switch it to manual. In manual mode, you can adjust the settings as you wish. If it's on automatic, Roblox will determine the graphics quality, restricting your ability to change it. Ensure that it's set to manual. You will see blocks that can be filled out, and choose the graphics quality based on this meter. If all the blocks are filled, it offers the best graphical quality but may impact the performance. You can render distant objects like the faraway island with higher quality. And however, if the game is running slowly or lagging, consider reducing the graphics quality to improve the performance. Regardless of your choice, you can always manage the graphics quality setting as long as the mode is set to manual. This adjustment can be made easily on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 without any complications. I hope this guide on adjusting settings for the Roblox on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.